Hello everyone, this is Charulatha, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Application, JJ College. So now we see about the introduction of artificial intelligence and machine learning. By the end of this session, you will be able to define the artificial intelligence and describe the relationship between the artificial intelligence and data science, and define machine learning, describe the relationship between the ML and AI and data science, and describe the different machine learning approaches, and finally identify the applications of machine learning. Let's understand how the field of artificial intelligence is emerged. Let's first understand the reason behind. So now see about the data economy. So the data economy is the emergence of AI. The data economy is one of the factors behind the emergence of AI. It refers to how much the data has grown over the past few years and how much it can grow in the coming years. When you look at this graph, you can clearly understand how the volume of data has grown. You can see the since 2009 the data volume was increases by the 44 times, which is the help of the social website. The explosions of data has given rise to the new economy and under the constant battle for ownership of the data between the companies and derive the benefits from it. Now that you know the data has grown the rapid pace in the past few years, and let's understand the needed of AI. As you know, the increases in the data volume. So the emergence of intelligence has given the rise to big data, which helps the manage huge amount of data, and data science help analyze the data. So the science of associated with the data is going toward the new paradigm, where one can teach machines to learn from the data and derive a variety of useful insights. So giving the rise of artificial intelligence. So the definitions of artificial intelligence. Now you may ask, what is the artificial intelligence? So the artificial intelligence refers to the intelligence displayed by the machines that simulates human and animal intelligence. It involves the intelligence agent. So the autonomous entities that perceive their environment and take actions that maximize their changes of a success at the given goal. The artificial intelligence is a technique that enables a computer and mimic human intelligence using logic. It is a program that can sense, reason and act. Let's look at the some of the areas where artificial intelligence is used. Artificial intelligence in practice. So the industries by providing the greater personalizations to user and automating process. One example of the artificial intelligence in practice is self-driving cars. So the self-driving cars or computer control the cars that drive themselves. In these cars, human drivers are never required to take control to safely operate the vehicle. These cars also known as the autonomous or driverless cars. So let's see how the Apple uses AI. That is, the iPhone users can experience the power of Siri, the voice. It's simplify the navigating through your iPhone, as it listen to your voice commands and perform tasks. For instance, you can ask Siri to call your friend or to play music Siri is fun and it extremely convenient to use a one practical life. So another example is Google's AlphaGo. So that is which is a computer program that plays the board game Go. It is the first computer program to defeat a world champion at the Asian Chinese game of Go. Amazon Echo is another product. So it is a home control chatbot device that responds the human according what they are saying. It responds by playing music or more if you got compatible smart home devices. And you can use the AI and chess, and here is an example of Conquer robot from IBM. It's called the IBM Watson. The IBM Watson AI has typically been the headlines of composing music, playing chess, and even cooking food. And let's move ahead and look at some sci-fi movies, which the concept of artificial intelligence. The films featuring the AI reflected the ever charging spectrum of our emotions, recording the machines. We have created the humans are fascinated by the concept of artificial intelligence, and this is reflected in the wide range of movies on AI. Recommendations systems are used by a lot of e-commerce companies. Let's see how they work. Data facilities recommendations. So the Amazon collects the data from the user and recommends the best product according to the user's buying or shopping pattern. For example, when you search a specific product in the Amazon store and add it to your cart, so Amazon recommends some relevant products based on your past shopping and searching pattern. So before you buy the selected product, you get recommendations based on your interested, and there the possibility that you may also buy the relevant product with a select product. If not, you have the chance to compare the selected product with the recommended products in the Amazon. Now let's move to the relationship between the artificial intelligence, machine learning and data science. That is relationship between AI and ML and data science. Even though the terms artificial intelligence, AI, the machine learning and data science fall in the same domain and are connected to the each other, they have their specific applications and meaning. Let's try to understand a little about each of those terms. The artificial intelligence system mimic or replicate the human intelligence, and the machine learning provides the systems to ability to automatically learn and improve from the experience without being explicitly the programmed. And the data science is an umbrella term that encompasses the data analytics and data mining. So the machine learning and the artificial intelligence and several other related disciplines in the terms. So let's look the flow diagram and try to understand the relationship between the AI, machine learning and data science. Interestingly, the ML is also an element of artificial intelligence. So the first step is data gathering and data transformation. This step basically comes under the data science. So the data transformation is the process converting the data from one format or structure into another format or structure. The data transformation is important to activities such as the data management and data integration. After gathering the data, we would want to use the data to make the predictions and derive insights in order to get predictions out of the data set. We use the machine learning techniques such as the supervised learning or unsupervised learning. On the overview of the level supervised and unsupervised learnings or the machine learning techniques used to extract the predictions from given data set. And now you be thinking where the deep learning comes into this picture. So now the deep learning comes into the picture. That is, the deep learning is a subfield of machine learning involved with the algorithms. It uses artificial neural networks which are modeled on the structure and performance of neurons in the human brain. So deep learning is the most effective when there is not a clear structure to the data, that you can just exploit it and build the future around. Now the next step in the flow diagram to insights, that is from the prediction being made. So in order to do so, you need to use the data analysis, which actually is processed under the data science. Now when you are done with all of this, you must want to your data to perform some. This is where AI comes into the picture. The artificial intelligence combines the predictions and insights to perform the actions based on the human decision and automated decision. Now let's move ahead. So, and understand the relationship between the artificial intelligence, machine learning and data science. So relationship between the artificial intelligence and ML. Let's look at the relationship between the artificial intelligence and machine learning. So the artificial intelligence is the engineering of making intelligent machines and programs. So machine learning provide the system the ability to learn from past experience without being the explicitly programmed in the artificial intelligence. Machine learning allows the machines to gain intelligence, thereby the enabling artificial intelligence. And now we move to relationship between the ML and data science and machine learning go hand in hand. Of data science helps evaluate of the data for machine learning algorithms. So data science covers the whole spectrum of data processing, while machine learning has algorithmic or statistical aspects. The data science is the use of statistical methods to find the patterns in the data. Statistical machine learning uses the same technique as data science. The data science includes the various techniques like statistical modeling, visualization and pattern recognitions of machine learning. And the machine learning focus on the developing the algorithms that provide the making the predictions. So it is the relationship between the machine learning and data science. So I hope you will clearly understand. Thank you guys. Thank you. Bye.